In this video, we show you how to define your data fields correctly for your extraction. In order for the AI to know what content to extract from your documents, you need to define the appropriate data fields. These are divided into basic types and advanced types. Basic types include data fields that contain a single value, such as a name or a date. Advanced types form a category to which several basic types belong. This allows data fields to be arranged hierarchically. For example, an advanced type may consist of the following basic types: name as free text, age as number, and personal number as identifier. Free text returns a text string that can consist of one or more words. Examples herefore are name of the recipient, street and house number, description of a service, or an age. Number extracts a numerical value from your document, for instance the age of a person, weight of a shipment, number of items, or the price. Date extracts a date from your document, such as date of birth, delivery date, or document date. Dates are always extracted in the shown format. Identifier extracts letter-number combinations from your document, for example tax ID, personal number, document number, or IBAN. Combined combines different basic fields to group several pieces of information. Examples herefore are personal details, which consists of name, address, and personal number, or payment amounts, which consists of net amount, gross amount, tax amount, and tax rate. List allows you to organize a list of data, either individually or in combination, such as order numbers, IBANs, or articles. Table is suitable for tabular data and provides a structured view with columns and rows. Examples are items on invoices with different columns, meter readings on heating bills, or individual items on payrolls.